Meaning of empirical.
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 Empirical. The term empirical refers to knowledge or information that is obtained through observation, experience, or experiment rather than through theory or pure logic. It is derived from the Greek word empiria, which means experience. Empirical results are based on data that has been collected through direct observation, measurement, or experimentation and are therefore considered objective and verifiable. In scientific research, empirical data is essential for developing theories and making evidence-based conclusions. Empirical evidence is often used to validate or refute hypotheses and theories.